great landing pages, 15 tips to high conversions by WordStream. Tip number 1, great landing pages are short, sweet and uncluttered. Tip number 2, great landing pages match the corresponding ad text. Tip number 3, great landing pages create eye-catching headlines. Tip number 4, great landing pages make it about the visitor. Tip number 5, great landing pages make use of video where appropriate. Tip number 6, great landing pages are easy to scan at a quick glance. Tip number 7, great landing pages only ask for the information they need. Tip number 8, great landing pages have an awesome offer. Tip number 9, great landing pages contain relevant, quality images. Tip number 10, great landing pages use color to their advantage. Tip number 11, great landing pages have clickable share buttons. Tip number 12, great landing pages show raving testimonials. Tip number 13, great landing pages are mobile friendly. Tip number 14, great landing pages follow up with a thank you page. Tip number 15, great landing pages have conversion tracking turned on. Click the link in description to learn more tips from WordStream. Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below.